Hello? Welcome to our English podcast. Today we learn to speak better. Many people want good English. This is hard. But you can do it! Speaking takes time. You need practice. But it works for everyone who tries. Are you ready? Good! Let us start now. We will learn together today. Do not wait. Start speaking today. Start right now if you can do it. Make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Every mistake makes you better at English speaking. Speak with few words. Use words you know. Say them every day out loud. Do not wait. Start today. Do not wait until next week or next month. Talk to yourself every day. This is safe. No one hears your mistakes here. Say what you see. I see a dog. The car is red. Say simple things. Tell about your day. I ate food. I went home. Use easy words only. Practice 10 minutes daily. Set timer. Talk until timer stops. Do not stop talking early. Find English you like. Movies work. Songs work. TV shows work too for practice. Listen to one sentence. Stop. Say same sentence. Say it out loud clearly now. Do this many times. Same sentence. You get better each time you try it. This helps your mouth. Your mouth learns English sounds. You sound better with time. Use your phone. Record yourself speaking. Then listen to your own voice back. Record same thing every week. Listen to old ones. Listen to new ones too. You will hear you got better. Old ones sound funny. You improved a lot. Save good recordings. Listen when sad. You will feel good about your English progress. Look online for English friends. Many people want practice. Find them and talk together. Video chat with English people. They help fix mistakes. They want to help you. Join English groups online. Talk with many people. People from different countries help you. Do not be shy. Everyone starts bad. People like helping. They want you to succeed. Speak smooth with mistakes. Smooth is better than perfect. Do not worry about grammar. Do not stop for rules. Keep talking. Make mistakes. Keep going anyway when speaking. English people make mistakes too. They care about ideas, not perfect words all time. Smooth first. Perfect later. Work on smooth talking. Fix mistakes later when you improve. Learn phrases like, how are you? Use them a lot. They make talking easier. Phrases help talking. You do not make new sentences. You use ready phrases instead. Practice phrases until easy. Say them fast. Do not think about each word in them. Collect good phrases. Use them when talking. Use them with English people every day. Pick one English speaker you like. Copy them. Speak like them exactly the same. Watch their videos many times. See their mouth. See how they move when talking. Practice like them every day. Copy their voice. Copy how they talk and sound. After 1 month, you sound better. Your voice sounds more like English people talking. Look for English clubs near you. Libraries have groups. They meet every week for free. Go to English events. Talk with strangers. Use only English. Do not use your language. Take English classes. Teachers help you. They tell you mistakes. They help you fix them. Do work in English. Help people using English. This gives you real practice with people. English takes time. Months or years. Do not want fast results. Be patient with yourself. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Every day is good. Long time's not needed. Be happy with small wins. Did you talk longer? Good. Did you say new words? Great. Some days are hard. This is normal. Keep going. Do not stop. Tomorrow is better. Everyone can get better. Practice every day. Be patient. You will improve over time slowly. Use these ways daily. Try different things. Keep practice fun. Do not get bored with it. Do not give up. Hard days happen. Every good speaker was bad first. You can too. Thank you for listening. Start practicing now. You can do this. I believe in you.